I have a Sticky Club unboxing for you today, or opening rather. And if you're not familiar with Sticky Club, I'm going to leave all the links and information in the description box. It is a monthly sticker subscription. There are 3 types you can get, and you can switch between which pack. I currently normally get the vintage and pop packs, but I really loved the cute pack theme, so I switched from the pop to the cute pack for July. But we'll go ahead and start our unveiling with the vintage pack. So it looks like the theme for the vintage pack is Far Away Realms. And we have a few extras, and one of them is this gorgeous artwork of like a celestial maiden with a crane, and that is from Stephanie Law, shadowscapes.com. So she's one of the featured artists. Oh my gosh, it's double-sided. Oh wow, here we have another celestial maiden and a looks like a water dragon with carp. Oh, it's fantastic. I just wanted to zoom in a little bit more so you could see the artwork. And next we have, this almost looks like a Patronus. This looks like a little mini journal, and Aria Fawn Art is the artist. So I'm going to open it up. Yep, so it is a little blank journal for junk journaling or just writing. Beautiful artwork. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out the stickers now, and it also looks like we have some more of those envelopes. We do. This is by Ruth Spear, which is September Wildflowers on IG, and we have this very like almost like Renaissance inspired like not celestial, like mystical, like tarot kind of art. I really, really love this artwork. It reminds me of like Botticelli and my Italian Renaissance. And ooh, we have this pattern on the inside. So it looks like we get a couple of these. I don't know if they're different prints for each little envelope. So they are the same for each envelope, but these are really easy to fold and make, and they are fun to put into like journals. So this is what it looks like front and back when you fold them together. And now stickers. I am so excited about these. I love like fantasy and like mythology kind of art. So this is more from Aria Fawn, and we have some like mythical creatures that are inspired by the elements, and these are washi stickers, and they have gold embossment. And here we have Marta's Reveries, so another artist, and these are like, they almost feel like they're vinyl stickers. So these are thicker, and we have some different like natural spirits with different elements. So we've got like a snake goddess here, and we have like a sea goddess, and she has octopus hair. So really, really beautiful. And then we have some fairy tale-esque art here, and these are just different silhouettes, and it says "a long time ago in a land far away," and I really love these. I feel like you could definitely use these with like the Disney Princess Happy planner stickers. But it's really, I just love the attention to detail. I don't ever find like stickers like this just out in craft stores or anywhere else, so it's really fun to get these from STICKII Club. And here we have more from Stephanie Law, who did the bookmark art. And again, we have some mythological animals, owls, we have like a griffin, dragons. These are really beautiful. And we have Author Rackham fairy tale stamp art. And if you are not familiar with Author Rackham, he's a very famous illustrator. And one of the things I love about him is he did a lot of artwork for operas. He did the Ring Cycle. So some of my artwork in my office, I'll just pop a picture, is actually his Brunhilde. So I really love Author Rackham, and these are so just gorgeous, and I am excited to use them. These, I think, are the prettiest stamps I've gotten. And here we have some more like, these are almost like fairy tale folk kingdom prints, and they're just sort of different townscapes. I like these a lot. And last but certainly not least, we have more art by Ruth Spear, this sort of fantasy Renaissance, like magical artwork. So this was the one that was featured on the envelopes, but then we have some more here. I think we have, I think this is supposed to be Eve. That's just so cool. I love finding unique stickers like these. So that was everything in the vintage pack. Moving along to the pop, sorry, not the pop pack, the cute pack, because I switched it up this month. And here's our theme, the Kawaii life. And I've got some accessories. So I've got this cute Kawaii like art supplies notepad, super cute. And we get another clear stamp. Yay! I have a growing clear stamp collection. And this one looks like a tiger, and they're holding up a gold star. This would be so cute to like grade homeschool paperwork. Oh my gosh, so cute. And the artist, I forgot to mention the artist for this one is Irilise Lee, and this is Fresh Boba. And I always do a post on my Instagram of the artist and tag them. So if you like any of these artists and you want to learn more about the work or support them, I will have them tagged on my Instagram at Valkyrie Plans. So here are our individual stickers. We have this little fox doing chores. Oh, it's the cutest thing. And this is by Jenny Jin Jin. Like, I am helping. And these do have a blue foil on them. That is so cute. And by that artist, Fresh Boba, we have some schoolgirls with their different school supplies and lunch foods. And it looks like they did like a version of the Hokusai wave. And oh my gosh, I love that these are purple. Purple is like my new favorite planner color. Yay, that's so cute. And then from Pocket Peaches, we have just some more kawaii planning and office supplies like washi tape and pencil cups. And we have just kitties and puppies and bunny rabbits. Super cute. And then to go along with that, we have some clear stickers, and these are functional stickers. So they say mail, work, daily, notes, study, to do, read, task, oops, and sent. I really like the little bunny with the eraser. Oops. And then this is from Hokiboshi. And we have just some really cute, folksy little animals making jam and baking. Really adorable. I want to use this in my meal planner. And then from Irrelease Lee, we have some hollow stickers. So these are holographic stickers, and they are this cute tiger and panda bear, sorry, not panda, polar bear, it looks like, doing various adorable things. It's shiny. And last, but certainly not least, of the cute stickers, we have Pusheen the cat. And we had some Pusheen stickers in a cute pack before, so they seem to be a staple of the cute pack. So if you like Pusheen and that kind of style for your planner or for like journaling, then the cute pack is definitely for you. But again, some just household tasks, watering plants, doing laundry. This is really, really cute. I think I'm going to save these and give them to my friend. She absolutely loves Pusheen, so I'm going to save those. And it looks like we have more of those little envelopes. We do. So, yep, we have little card envelopes too from, and it's got the polar bear. This is the same artist, Irrelease Lee. So these do not have a pattern inside, and they are the same for all three of them. These would be really cute for lunchbox notes. And that is everything in my cute pack and vintage pack for July 2021. I'm really happy with my choice to switch to the cute pack instead of the pop pack. I just really, really love how adorable and beautiful this art is. I especially love this hokusai, like pop art print schoolgirls, like with the kawaii art supplies and like teapots. I just think that's really cute. Comment below if you have a favorite artist or a sticker included in these packs, and I will see you next month with another Sticky Club unveiling. Have a fantastic day, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!